How to share files on Messenger. Whether you're trying to share media such as videos or images, or trying to share in documents such as PDF or Word files, you can send them all right inside of Messenger. So what you need to do is open up a chat where you're trying to send in these files, and then once you're inside of the chat, you'll be able to see the plus icon on the bottom left of the screen. If you tap on this option, right here you'll see the option called Files. This way you'll be able to pick all of the files right inside of your phone. If you're doing this process on a desktop using the website, you'll be able to pick the files from your desktop or your laptop. So just pick the file that you want to send in this section. You can also explore through different folders that you might have inside of your phone. Once you select the file will be sent and will be visible on the chat section. Any file that you send using the file method will be delivered and will not be viewable straight away. The other person must download it in order to view the file that you just sent. So this is the exact way that you can share files on Messenger. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to hit that thumbs up and also subscribe for more tutorial videos just like this.